Hey guys, and welcome back to Reagan's Reading Corner. Today I'll be reading Daddy Hugs by Karen Katz. Let's get into the video. Daddy Hugs. Here I come, it's Daddy. 1, I'm so glad you're my baby. Hug. 2, teeny tiny finger hugs. 3, pat and burp the baby hugs. 4, yay, you did it! First step hugs. 5, kiss it all better, boo-boo hugs. 6, I gotcha now, hide and seek hugs. 7, peekaboo pajama hugs. 8, dancing on daddy's feet cha-cha hugs. 9, don't be afraid of the dark hugs. 10, I love you, 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 I love you. Good night hugs. Good night. I hope you guys enjoyed Daddy Hugs by Karen Katz, and I'll see you guys next time on Reagan's Reading Corner. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below.